Hey guys, Tony here. So Bitcoin just made a crazy move towards the upside, hitting peaks of what? What is the peak? Highs of almost 40K. I actually think the information came from, there's a rumor that came out today that said that Amazon might actually start accepting Bitcoin. So there was a supposedly an insider spread, like leaked some information that Amazon is currently working on accepting Bitcoin, Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum. Um, Supposedly that's the news that came out today. Nobody knows if that's true, but I think that's why you saw a major spark. There was a little bit of bullish divergence on Bitcoin. I don't think that's the reason why we spiked though. I don't think that's the reason why we actually spiked. And unless we actually go over 40,000, I'm not too worried. But if we do somehow end up going over 40K, that's definitely not a small move, and it's something that we should be looking into. But I think the news of Bitcoin rallying right now is because, like I said, there was a leak or there was a rumor by a supposed insider spectating that Bitcoin might actually be accepted in 2022 by Amazon, along with Cardano, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. Nobody knows if this is real, but I think this might actually is what have triggered this huge push to the upside. Because I don't think this is a lot of people buying. I really don't. I don't think this is a lot of people buying. I think this is just a couple big whales purchasing a lot of Bitcoin. This is super weird, but again, the whole crypto market moved as a whole. So not exactly sure what's going on. If you guys know, please let me know in the comments. But this is a crazy move on Bitcoin, especially for it to happen. In like what was this move like? It happened between what 3:50 p.m. and like in 3 hours. This is not a small move to happen in 3 hours. This is a pretty big move to happen. Like this is pretty insane. It basically happened from like 4 o'clock to 2 hours to like 6. It had a huge push to the upside. It is dropping a little bit, but I actually do think we might go back and retouch those highs of 39K. We'll see. We'll see what's going on. But so far, I think that's the only rumor and news that I've heard so far today.